Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are continuing our series of short videos on learning PySpark. In the previous video, we learned how to use select and filter to work with columns and rows. Today we take the next step. We will learn how to create new columns in PySpark using one of the most important functions, withColumn. This is a core operation used in almost every real-world data pipeline. Before writing code, let's understand why this is important. In real projects, raw data is almost never ready for analysis. We usually need to convert data types, extract new features, create flags, calculate metrics. This process is called feature engineering, and in PySpark, we do it using withColumn. Let's take a look at our dataset again. df.show. We have user ID, event type, event date, platform. Right now, event date is a string. But in real data pipelines, dates should be proper date or timestamp types. Let's fix that. From PySpark.skl.functions import to date. df equals df.withColumn event underscore date to underscore date event underscore date. What does this do? We take the existing column event date and convert it into a proper date type. Now let's check the schema, df.print schema. You should now see event date, date format. Notice something important. We use the same column name, event date. That means we overwrote the column. withColumn can create new columns or replace existing ones. This is very important in real pipelines. Now let's create a completely new column. We will create a column that shows whether the user made a purchase. From PySpark.skl.functions import when. df equals df.withColumn is underscore purchase. When df event underscore type equals purchase, one closing parenthesis dot otherwise 0. What happens here? We create a new column, is underscore purchase. If event underscore type equals purchase gives 1, otherwise gives 0. df.show. Now you will see a new column in your DataFrame. This is exactly how we prepare data for machine learning, analytics, dashboards. This kind of column is called a flag. In real projects, we often create is purchase, is active, is new user. These columns help us calculate metrics, build funnels, and segment users. Today we learned how to use withColumn, how to convert data types, how to create new columns, how to build flags. This is a key step toward real data pipelines. Now it's your turn. Create a new column called is underscore login. Gives 1 if event underscore type equals login, else 0. Create a column is underscore Android. Gives 1 if platform equals Android. Show the result. Write in the comments. How many purchase events are in your dataset? Practice the homework and write your answer in the comments. In the next video, we will start working with aggregations using group by. Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.